Good morning. Thanks for joining us here at T-Spa. I'm going to be doing a Tuesday tip for you, and we're going to talk a little bit about my favorite product, Rewind, and how to work it into a cute, short pixie cut and make it fun and funky. First, you want to grab a little product, put it on your hand. Rewind, a good thing to know about it is that it never gets sticky or hard, and it's always perfect to work into a haircut that's short and fun. What I like to do is rub it out throughout my hands and start in the back and work my way up. It's great for volume. I also like to push the product forward, get some good volume going, and then just tailor the look a little bit with it once you get the product all worked in. And that's it. Thanks for joining us.